Days in a row. Hope this doesn't keep happening.
I'm still watching that bounce area, guys. Nothing's changed. Come on, baby. We technically speaking got a little two bar action here going on too. I don't see nothing. I don't see nothing I like.
Waiting for the pullback. We had a touch here and a touch there, so I'll be a little skeptical. Probably look for a pullback in this area between 466 and 440. Did we lose them?
All right,
Nope.
everybody. Oh, we got
There.
the DOD Cup in action too. Shout out Mr. Gene. Rose the Espresso Maestro.
Might just be too strong of action to give us any
So here's the deal. I'm
chance.
either watching for a pullback down to this buy zone down here, or B, I'm going to watch for a sweep and failure of 600 for a reject.
Interesting. That would be picking a top, which typically I don't like to do because that's my weakness. I'm inclined to do that, but let's put a level in here.
What about you, Grizzly Glock? You see anything you like?
What's up?
See anything you like?
Still watching this bounce.
I was watching for a 600 reject too. It just didn't quite get there.
Oh.
Okay, it's coming down. I'll be looking for this area. I've decided I'm not going to take the initial touch of the 9 EMA. We've already touched it twice, so I'm going to be looking for an entry down here. May not get there, but
One good trade, just like yesterday.
That's all it takes, bro.
need to change this to my 6-minute.
That's all it takes.
Also look at what the 50% retracement is here. So yeah,
Take this trade, everyone. We got a position to set our stops at 417 or 416.
That's where I'm going to have my stops too.
Yeah. So position accordingly. You all can see the bounce area on my screen. I'm watching there. See the right in here.
You see Tradify 3.0, Grizzly Glock?
I haven't looked, man. I've been dealing with that YouTube all morning.
They added some good stuff. They added Trade C, the new platform, which is just like Project X.
Standalone.
No more subscriptions, real-time dashboard of the journal, instant funded account activation. So if you pass, you can get funded right away, or you can activate right away. They added
Did they do
25K.
anything different with the sim funded? Straight to
Nope.
sim fund?
Nope, 25K accounts now, which are nice for people that like to trade micros.
Pushing down to this 500 again. I wonder if it's going to bounce.
I have a bad feeling it will.
Yeah, me too.
But too much risk for me, so I'm okay with missing the move. I'll try in like 470 to 460, and I'll also add likely around like 440s with stops below 417, below that candle low.
I like that plan.
I will have a hard stop at like 417 if I get in. Oh, baby, come on. This is your reminder. We're over 30 minutes in. Choose discipline over dopamine. If you guys think about overtrading, revenge trading, tilt trading, or boredom trading, I want you to tell yourself, come on, DOD. I don't got to do that. I need to wait, trade smart and trade safe, and wait for an A+ entry. Tell yourself DOD over and over if you have to save yourself from silly mistakes, detrimental mistakes that have held you back for months, years, decades, whatever it may be. If it happens, that's why I tell you guys, if you need to tell yourself DOD over and over again, do it. Literally sit there and talk to yourself. Say yourself, DOD, come on. I know this is dopamine talking. This is bad decision, emotion-based decision making talking to me. I want you guys to be strategic. I want you guys to be systematic. Oh, I hope they don't bounce this 500.
Yeah,
Looks
look
like
at
they
that.
might.
This is where you have to
This
anticipate
500 got
because if
daddy
it just goes higher from here,
Fucking dead strength.
that
That's
tail
right.
will have touched the 90 MA. But since we've touched twice back here and here, market, I do think we can fail here and go lower down to the 21 EMA, the green line. That's what I'm going to be watching for right in here. No FOMO.
I got to piss like a racehorse, but I don't want to miss this long entry. I know if I go to the bathroom, it's for sure coming. Oh, Gene, want to come say hi? I put in a limit order at 460 and a hard stop in case at 417. So if we got some sweep down, I get filled at around 460 with stop set at 417. What's up, Mr. Gene?
Really like that plan quite a bit.
What's up, party people?
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Situations.
Oh man. Let's see what we can get. I had a supply zone or demand zone that we pushed out of in Asia after I hopped off last night. It went crazy. 400 points. from where it hit. I'll post a photo in the Discord.
What's the trade? We don't make it high or low here.
Hello, Mr. Jean.
All right, here we go.
Looks
Let's
like the
watch.
limit order was not filled.
This looks like it wants to push
Right.
down and
Take
flush
that off, so
people
now
out.
I'm in
So
control.
we'll watch.
Now I am the captain now.
Come down, give us an entry. Whee! I do think if we go up and touch 600, we'd be tempted to short that as a resistance area.
Well, that was a higher low, I guess. So
Yep, we're holding just like we said we probably would. We're holding that 500.
yeah.
Annoying, but oh well. Is what it is.
A little increase in volume on the previous candle, not much.
Yep, nothing for me. I'll still watch this bounce area. It's a little riskier with 3 different tests down here, but I'm still technically open to it. I still got about an hour more of trading, so today is still technically young.
So is Gene.
Yep.
Let's be watching this. There we have our touch.
Okay.
That's the bell. Have an alert there. Again, I'm going to be looking for a touchdown here on the 21 because we bounced off the 9 multiple times.
MNQ bounces at 500 one more time. I'm trading ES.
Feel that.
And ES. A legit entry there. 476 area.
Oh my God.
Oh, NVIDIA ripping.
Who thinks they can call me? Trading hours. NVIDIA's ripping. Who is pro writing an essay for? Bro, I'm the fastest trading typer. Be Rogue, I'm proud of you for recognizing that and stepping away.
Tesla's ripping $10.
Man.
Ooh.
They call at J Dunn the fastest hands in Denver, but it ain't due to typing. You're crazy. This 500 has dad strength. It's going to be our new support up here, huh?
Yeah.
Would have gone to 470. I would have tried the longs for sure. For show. Might break the ceiling. I think it's a little sketchy how many times we've touched here to try this down here, but I still will potentially. I think I'd be bummed if we came and touched like 440 to 460 and I didn't try the longs, so I'll still probably try it with stops below this candle. It's not far off from low a day either. Let you know. Two bar on Tesla. I'm not. Technically, yes. It's not a super aggressive trend, but we've held pre-market high. Technically speaking, that could be valid. Certainly. Ooh. Oh, man, stretch. Woo. Stretching and breathing is underrated. That's facts. What does ES have going on? What's going on in ES world? I haven't tried an ES in a hot minute.
Wow, look at that. Not sure what that was. Oh, that's an old one, that's why. Yeah.
Same deal as Nasdaqita.
Look, we have lowering volume here approaching the 600 level. So interesting. If I get a confluence with Jay done, I think I'll take it. I want to see what he has to say about it. I don't typically like to trade tops, but we are going to get an RSI divergence there, it would appear. We get an impulse move up past
Do you think the screen will turn red?
600 to 620. I think I would give that try to the downside. I'll put the order in just in case we get a big impulse. Oh, won't let me
No
have
trades
both.
yet today. Nope. No trades today. Not yet. I potentially wanted to take a trade down here, but I didn't end up getting the pullback I wanted to see. So
Order submitted.
Thank you for being a perfect example for all of us. This patience is amazing. Thank you. There hasn't been a whole lot of, at least for how I trade, opportunity today. We'll see how we react at 600. That could give us something too. It's certainly possible. My patience has improved so much since practicing DOD. Let's go. That's awesome. I would have blown my count already. Thanks, Jadon. You're welcome. I do my best. If we can, even if it's not an increase in winning trades, if I can decrease your losing trades, that's a net positive. If you can keep yourself away from boredom trading and tilt trading and revenge trading, that's a net positive.
So true.
Yep. Well, you need good strategy to become profitable, but without risk management, it doesn't really mean anything. It means very little. It means very, very little.
Okay, again, we see an RSI divergence. When we have an RSI divergence coupled with this buy candle here, that oftentimes
Still moving
signals the
on up.
top. So
I was really
we'll
hoping they'd
see.
give us some sort of pullback. Nope. 500 had dad strength. What strategy do I trade during Asia? I don't really trade Asia. Gene does, though. Gene kills it in Asia. You can join him every day.
So currently, right now, what I'm looking at is we can see it's ranging here. We have decreasing volume. I'm looking for like an impulse move up just beyond 600. Catch it, and then a pretty significant pullback. I would especially like it if when we come up here, we put in a buy signal with decreasing volume, with RSI divergence. It's a pretty good short signal. We may not get it.
I just re-upped everybody. What was I telling y'all earlier? What was I telling y'all earlier? Plug came through. Plugged us with some Tradeify select accounts to give away. Let's go. Shout out Tradeify. Someone was saying their website's all messed up, though. It's working fine for me.
The touch, I expect it to come down into this range.
Logging out. We won't do the giveaway right now, then. I am
That's what I'd be
loaded
looking
up
for.
on accounts. Oh, baby. Let's just say we're plugged in for a
Order
minute on
canceled.
Tradeify. So a reminder, Tradeify 3.0 just dropped today. You guys can use code JDUN for the best possible discount. I'm obviously going to scratch your back with the giveaway. The more times you use code JDUN, the more accounts they give us. It's a win-win on both sides. I appreciate you supporting me.
Order submitted.
I will always do my best to support y'all.
I'm targeting an
All right,
entry
let's see if we
right
get this
down here.
pullback now. So stick around. Stick around, guys. Maybe we'll try a rogue code on a little Tradeify action. Let's see who's paying attention. Got a dip under the fib. We'll see. This 15-minute chart is looking real barcodey.
Get this up in case he gives us the road code. You put there we go. Just in case. All right, here we go. I get it.
Yep, that's what we're looking for my first ad, Wafus, with potential ad down to like 440. And I don't love that we've been hovering above it so long, but I still think it's technically valid. We got point of control there, we got pre-market high there, and we have 15-minute high there. But we haven't retested. Tradeify Dash is glitching out, then we'll just wait. Well, wait, just know I got something cooking for y'all. We are re-upped. In the meantime, you can get 40% off on your first 5 accounts with Tradeify using code JDUN. But when you use that code, I want you to tell yourself you're going to be DOD with your account. I don't want you making stupid mistakes, getting almost a payout and blowing it. Then we get reversal candle with higher volume here.
I'd still be looking for the bounce. We'll see.
45 or 40% off is your first 5 accounts in your discount bank. Yep. 30% off after that. It's good, Anthony. Appreciate you asking. No trades yet today. Not super in love with what we're seeing here. It's still technically valid. If we try this, I might wait a little lower, maybe like 460 to 440. Let's see what our overall 50% retracement is. 480.
Getting close. I'd still be willing to do it, especially if it's an impulse move down.
15-minute chart. I'd like to see this 15-minute candle close too before we rip this trade.
Okay, we're approaching. Here we go. First touch of the 21. There it is. We're just a little bit lower.
I'm watching. I'm watching.
I'm going to enter here, guys.
I don't love this 15-minute chart. If you guys are looking at screen share, you see this 15-minute chart. We're engulfing this previous candle, and we have higher volume on this reversal. See. We'll see.
It's looking good so far, but let's see if it has follow through.
5.
Order submitted.
Am I buying? I have not taken any trade yet. If we get down into this zone down here, I'm potentially open to it. I don't love what we're seeing in price action right now.
Same. I like that initial bounce, but
To it.
that's my system.
Started my longs, everyone.
Well, that's good. Got a confluence with Grizzly, so I like
Started
that.
MNQ longs. You can hear me. I'm in longs.
For high day, ideally.
Stop, you have to position for your stop to be at 416. I will add more at 439. I'm not full size. Yeah, 440, 439. I'll add to my position.
That's what I wanted to see too. Like
If I get it.
Like 460 area.
For high of day.
Come on, I was hoping to get my full size on this. I got a decent size, but
Bounce right off of that 15-minute high.
filled at 72 on that, everyone.
Hmm.
This was my entry right here. Oh.
What about that?
Starter piece of longs as well.
All right, good to know.
Starter piece.
Blame you if this goes bad.
It very well could, but I'd be bummed if I didn't try it as we go on test. I'd like to see like 60 to 40. But 60s was worth a try for me. This whole area in here I like with stops at 417.
I only have 5. No, correction, 7. I have 7 right now. If we touch this pre-market high, I'm going to add the rest of my position, but that's it. My stop remains the same, 416.
This is the area I like too. This pre-market high to POC.
Hopefully it doesn't have higher volume here. If it does, that's not a good sign.
At the 50-minute mark, I'm going to add one as it recovers hard.
Still in original position, everyone. I didn't get my ad. It didn't quite get down low enough.
This is the main area. I don't like that candle. Say I like this area, but you have to have stops below 417. I'm also not opposed to. Let's see if we get a retest up to like 520 again, 530 looking for shorts, but I'm still in that position. I'll get stopped out at 417. It's my only
Added one there.
pullback.
Got my second
potential.
ad there, everyone, but I wouldn't go too heavy. It's not looking the best in this trade.
It's not looking great. But I'd be
Oh,
bummed if I
no.
didn't try it. So I did try it with stops at 417.
My trader base being weird. There we go. It wasn't showing my position.
Order
The only
submitted.
other trade it potentially sees if this stops out, looking for a downside trade if we break the structure and pull back up. But yeah, I tried the longs based on the trend from today and also from pre-market. So it was worth a try to me. If I get stopped out at 417, I'll take the L to the chin and I'll wait for another setup. If we can't hold this pre-market high, then we probably fail. I'll get stopped out at 417. The only other setup I see that I will potentially put size on is if we get a break of structure to the downside, I'm going to pull back up for shorts. I'm down for that as well. And you guys got to remember, oh, almost there. I put on more size for my short trades than my long trades. I swear, if this stops me out, I got stopped out of this trade. If this stops me out and then rips up, I'm going to be so salty.
I'm going to get stopped here
If we
too.
close this candle here below opening range low, we're going to a full body candle. To the downside, I'll look for a pop up and I will go full size, potentially even more on a downside trade. I'll put on full risk for a downside trade if we get a strong close here and then pull back up. That's the only other thing I see. I tried the longs up here, got stopped out on this move down. I'm not in this trade. So if we get a strong close down here, move back up to these key levels, I'll look for shorts with stops potentially above like 500.
There's the stop.
It's the only other trade that I see that I like.
Too bad.
And I will go full size on it if it confirms. If and only if. If it confirms, we'll go full size.
Order filled.
If you guys didn't hear, I got stopped out at 417. I followed my planned stop up there at 417.
Same. And I suppose in retrospect, you look at that, that was a increasing volume. We had increased volume, increased volume, increased volume. Maybe that should have invalidated that long
We got
trade.
a minute 15 left in this candle. If we close this strong and pop back up, I'll try shorts at like maybe like 460, 470 with stops above 505. Aggressive shorts if we can get confirmation here. Aggressive shorts if we pop back up to these key levels. And on the flip side, if we would have followed this pre-market trend of aggressive move up, followed by move up here, and I wouldn't have tried that trade, I would have been super disappointed in myself. I would have been super disappointed if we got that bounce at those key levels, POC, pre-market high, 15-minute high, and I didn't try that. All right, I'm watching for this pop up for shorts, guys. We got the 5-minute confirmation I want. I'll look for a move up to like 440 to 470. ideally like 470. But I'll start early at like 440. That'll be my last trade. If we move up into here, I'll look for lower high in this zone and then continued push down at the price target of pre-market low. That's my last hurrah for a trend trade. Come on, give some sort of pop up, please. Not full port shorts, full risk. Yes, full port, no. You don't want a full port. Only watch right now, guys, is a retest back up to like 440 for shorts. Retest back up into here. I'm in shorts, add into 470, stops above this like 505. I thought it was going to retrace too, but that's why you put a stop loss in. Is what it is. I hate trading the longs. I just don't. More and more after the years go by, I'm like, I just love trading shorts. Come on, don't sweep this 15-minute low and bounce back up. Please don't give us a big sweep and bounce. Just give us a pop up and then die. Then die, please. Retrace back up here. I'm in shorts, guys. We retrace back up. I'm in shorts. Last trade that I see. Retrace back up. Die. Please. Price target will be down at pre-market low at 238. I'd like to see 440 to 470. We'll try this if we move up here with stops above like 505. Come on, Nasdaqita. My mortgage on your signal lost it. Well, whose fault is that? 30 more seconds on this candle. Come on. We got a potential 2-bar on the 15-minute chart too. Which plan and account do you recommend at Tradeify? The 25K or 50K selects? Money bags. I'm going to watch like 440 to 470, guys. I don't love that they gave us a 5-minute reversal candle with higher volume here, but it's still worth another try. Ideally, like 450 to 470. I'm just not sure we get all the way up there. Come on, give us like 450, please. Starting a baby piece of shorts at 440, guys. I will add into 470, 450 to
Wait
470.
a little bit for it to get up here.
If we go back up and accordion this market, then I'll be done for the day. But
Like at the 50%.
started my shorts above
Wait for
440.
the 2 minute.
If you guys want a safer entry, it's like 450 to 470. It's my last trade here on this pop up.
There it is. Selling it there.
Main ad area is up here, 450 to 470, everybody. I'll stop out at 505, and if I get stopped, I'll be done for the day. This is my last trade regardless. I don't trade the accordion market well, so if we go from 15-minute low to these new highs, then it will not be my type of day.
Order submitted.
This is the area I like though, guys, up here. Main area for shorts up here, guys. With stops at 505 or 506. Come on. Let it die. No, don't rebound. Just go straight down now.
Still on that. I thought I entered way up here.
Come on, you tried. My stop loss is at 506. This is the main ad area. I like 550 up to 570 from before. I hope we revisit low day, but this accordion market, who knows? We'll see. It's 15-minute chart. If we breach this 15-minute high, I'm out of this trade, guys. Don't like that 5-minute chart even a little, but I'm still holding this.
Is anybody in trade?
I took shorts on the pop up. but it's not looking great. 15-minute chart looks okay. 5-minute chart doesn't look super great. What about you? What are you looking for?
Looking for a long entry.
If you see something you like, take it. I was just trying to take the trend.
I was gonna try to catch this pre-market high entry for longs. My last trade. 409 stop. Pull back.
If we go about 506, I'm out and I'm done for the day. If we go past 506. I tried this short and the pop back up. If we go accordion, that's just not my type of day, and I'll be out and done.
Order canceled.
Jesus Christ, Louise. I swear if it goes up and tests this and this dies, I'm going to be so salty, dude.
Order filled.
Oh, it's going to annoy me if we go up and just test and die. I got stopped out at 506. I'm going to be done for the day, everybody. That just annoyed me. So we're going to move up. We're going to sweep this and then move down. So I'm going to be done trading for the day. I'll stick on for a little longer, but I'm going to be done for the day. This annoyed the hell out of me.
Let me give this one more chance.
Lost just
I think
under
that was
$2,000 on the live
impulse.
account. So I'm done for the
So
day. And watch, it's going to sweep this high and then die. Watch. Watch. I hope it doesn't. That's what it looks like it wants to do.
Order submitted.
Honestly, I hope it does. That will show bias is right. Just super, super annoying. Super, super, super annoying. If you see something you like, Grizzly, feel free to take it. I got stopped out of the longs or shorts, excuse me, at 506. I swear, if it goes and finds our lower high here, then dies, I'm going to be a very sad boy. I'm going to be a very sad boy if that happens. Don't you do it. Don't you do it.
time to do it.
It's going to make me just turn into no stop loss gang. Gene, I'm frustrated.
Okay. I'm not going to
At
let
this
this
point, I'd
one
rather just
turn too much
rip
negative.
straight
So
up, please. Don't go die. Please
I want
don't
it to
go
close
die.
below.
Please don't die.
Here comes a 10-minute candle.
At least go to high a day. If you're gonna stop me out, just keep moving. Don't rip 506 to 515, 9 points above and die. Not allowed. Unacceptable.
Let this one go red.
Now that looks like a lower high candle if I've ever seen one.
See,
Don't you do it,
It's
NASDAQ.
gonna close below this.
Don't you do it.
Don't do it.
Don't you do it. Don't you do it, girl.
Really? Oh, here we go. Okay, come on. Close below this,
Don't you do it.
this support.
Seems like everyone's saying a little something different here. I like the pre-market high bounce, 430, 440 for longs.
Well, I'm not in anything, so I really don't. I don't have any skin in the game. I'm just gonna be salty if we touched up their 9 points above my stop loss and then ripped down.
So now it's respecting the 15-minute range.
Yeah.
Fell right through it earlier.
It's 12-minute candle. What's our volume? 40 seconds.
That 15
Yep.
minute chart looked
It's
good
going to
though.
stop me out, but at least it
Solid
won't be a
body.
loss.
Close
There.
below pre-market high, 15-minute high, and point of control.
Order
Just
filled.
couldn't do it.
Oh, shoot. What do we got?
Telling you, it's just been those rejects and the bounces. It's been the aggressive bounces and the aggressive rejects. These trend trades aren't working how I want them to. It's all right. We choose DOD. It's annoying, but whatever. It's fine.
It is annoying.
Some of them didn't get stopped out. Interesting. In my live? The live.
Order filled.
Oh, they're all
This
stopped
full
out.
strength bar.
All right. Two
Well,
losers
that's what I
today.
wanted to happen. We tried it the first time. The way it's respecting the
That's exactly what I wanted to see.
15-minute
I'm like,
range.
why is it being on some BS? Why couldn't we see this 15-minute respect up here? On the bright side, I hope we move up now. Means my stop loss was right. Every time I try to go against a 5-minute reversal candle with higher volume, it gets cooked. Just goes to show. Even the only problem here was that we had this 15-minute chart I really liked. I liked that 15-minute close. Two candles in a row with higher volume. I'm just switching to supply and demand, guys. I'm just going to go back to my supply rejects and bounces like I used to trade. Until they start giving us some good, solid trend entries that are consistently working, I'll just trade my rejects and my bounces. That's what's working in this market. So you adapt. No, we just adapt. If you need to, I'm not going to say you change your strategy because you don't, but you just adapt to what's working. And as of lately, what's working is these aggressive bounces off demand and these aggressive rejects off supply. We're not getting a lot of good trend confirmation in this news-driven market.
Right. Well, two losers today. We're back down. We're actually down 100 from our starting 500, 105. So we'll
We're going to
see.
see more movement up. I like that 500 area. If you guys are looking for another trade, I like that 500 area with stops below like basically below like the 15-minute high. It's the only area I like. That or maybe we see as far as rejects go, I don't really have anything until 800. No, I'm not in a trade.
I'd be looking for that reject again at 600.
Finish trading now. No, there was a point when I wanted to though. I just have to tell myself DOD over and over, and like after 5-10 minutes, it goes away. You're like, oh well. No more trades. No, I'm likely done. I'm still hanging for a few minutes, but that annoyed me. We saw exactly what I wanted to see, just a little later than I would have liked. I wanted to see this right here, up here. And then after this aggressive move down, 15-minute move down, tried the short up here, and then got stopped out above 506.
Would short 600. It gets there in the next two bars.
Ugh.
Man, I've had enough this market today.
Telling me.
I'm going to take my one loss, which put me flat on the week. Same situation I was in last week on Thursday. I was flat on Thursday of last week, and we caught a winning trade. I made $1,600 on the week on Friday. Still hope. I just hope this market is a little easier on us tomorrow.
I'm going back to my rejects and bounces, Grizzly Glock. We see a real clean trend, I'll look for trend entries, but
I didn't see anything up there to reject much.
That's just what's been working.
Yeah.
Supply and demand.
It touches the EMA here. I'll give it one last shot.
Well, be back in the morning. Give it another try.
You out of here?
Let's look at volume.
Yeah, I got
We're
doctor's
moving
appointment.
lower on lower volume. 20. I'm going to wait for the 24 candle.
All right. Have a good day, bro.
Yeah, see you.
I swear, if it gives us a downtrend now, I'm going to be one salty boy.
Going along.
Order filled.
Looking for a move to high of day.
Like a baby. Oh boy.
Hopefully that we can make it to 24 without breaking that low. Whoa. We're not on the right one. Either.
Order filled.
Wait for the 24 candle. I was on the wrong.
At
So
least it's Taco Tuesday. Better be gluten-free tortillas and no cheese. Tacos aren't very fun when you eat like Jay Dunn. I wasn't even supposed to rhyme, and it did.
Order submitted.
You love tacos. Don't lie.
still not in the right ones. Oh my goodness.
Love your tacos. Taco burrito.
That was a good bounce. Made mistakes today. I just
That was annoying. It was annoying. It was annoying, but we'll take it. Tuesday. It's been a minute since I've had a red Tuesday. I've had like 2 this year. All right. Well, on the bright side, for those who were paying attention, let's see, let's get this. Damn, that would have been the one right there. That was the one right there. Now it wants to work. Now that I'm done trading. Okay. All right, market. All right, market. I see you.
watching for a code.
Oh boy. Oh man, I want to take the long so bad. Gotta stick to my rules. Gotta stick to my rules, which really sucks sometimes, but it's what keeps us safe long term. It's what keeps us safe long term. Yeah, there just hasn't been a lot of trend. Like there's some good scalping or like supply to demand opportunities, but not a whole lot in terms of true trend. You've seen that more and more. You've seen a lot of rejects and you've seen a lot of bounces. Let it come and let it be. Oh boy. All right.
Order filled.
Let's see who was
Stop
paying
filled.
attention in the Team Bowl chat for a 25K select account in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 25K select account. Let's see who's paying attention. See who was paying attention. It does. It's literally from my Tradeify rep. Unless he messed the code up. That's copy and pasted. Someone got it. That's why it don't work. It's because I got it. Fibonacci gangs are cooked, y'all. Damn, bro said it's because I got it. That's why. Damn. That's foul. Bro said y'all didn't get it because I got it. Zoom code. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Beautiful things. All right, let's see here. Where's my trade? There we go. Don't. Well, say it was a doo-doo trading day for me in this range. But at least we got some. At least we got some codes to give away. That's a plus. Oh, what the hell? Deleted my. There we go.
Order submitted.
Low view out. Yep, it is what it is. Do another rogue Cobit in my DM. Donald. See, that looks like a nice higher low. This is what I wanted to see off of our 15-minute range earlier, guys. Right here. This is what I want to see. Right here. Test down to like 460 area and then move back up. This is what I wanted to see, not this bullshit here. Not this BS here. And move back up to 520. This is exactly what I wanted to see. But nope, let's just do it later on. As I'm done trading, I did get in earlier, and it's taught me out. So all I'm saying is, this is the move I wanted to see earlier, right here. Would have been a 60-point trade. Man. Is what it is. Is what it is. I'm about to go eat my breakfast or my second meal of the day, and then I'm going to make that YouTube video, that Tradeify versus Apex video. Yep, I'm going to make that copy trading video for y'all. Yep, Apex versus Tradeify comparison. So, all right, guys, I'm going to move off for the day. Not my best trading day. Couldn't get any clear direction. We had nice rejects off supply and bounces off demand, but as far as overall trend, it's just been sideways, as you guys can see here in our 5-minute and 15-minute chart. Got what I wanted to see, just not at the same time. So choose DOD, trade smart, trade safe, stay focused. As a reminder, Apex is 90% off using code JDON, and Tradeify is 40% off in your first 5 accounts. All right. All right, Team Bull. If you guys want to enter the giveaway for a 50K Tradeify Select account, type me in the chat. Type me in the chat. I'm going to pick one of you guys in the next 20 seconds. I'm going to stop on one of your names. Spam me. Gene, will you come tell me when to stop? Hold on. We got a 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Tell me when, Gene. Stop. All right. Paige_Robinson with the bull tag 2. Let's go. Congratulations, Paige_Robinson of Team Bull, baby. I'm going to send you your code for a 50K Tradeify select account. Select account. That's a freaking $100 giveaway right there. Congratulations. I always appreciate y'all choosing code JDUN. I'm out of here for the day. Maybe back for Power Hour. We'll see how this video filming goes. And I'll see y'all later. God bless y'all. Peace. That video will be up later today. Peace.
Well, this third trade almost got stopped out. Maybe will. We'll see. If we can make it to 48. 30 seconds. Looking weak though. Don't like that. Let's see. We had lower volume, but we're right here at this level, so most likely they'll get stopped out and I'll call it a day. 3 losing trades. If we are fortunate and that is the bottom and we recover over here, we could see high of day, but we'll see. Maybe. We're touching it here. It has to break through that. It's not been respecting these levels now, but like to see some volume come in, but I see a break through this and stay above, but we shall see. Well, I like the looks of that. Volume's not there yet. What we want to see is it to close above that 9-period EMA. 2 more minutes till the 6-minute candle. Let's see if it can hold it. And then after that, I'm signing off. We'll let this trade play out. But I'd be looking, if it can hold up here, I'd be looking for a move to high of day up around the 600 mark. So, which would be incredible. After a tough trading day. All right, almost got it. 40 seconds. Love to see some more volume come in, and let's close up here. Twenty seconds. Five seconds. Don't like that wick, but it is what it is. I like that it's dipping before it's ripping. Hmm. Real too bad. Leave my stop loss where it is. Yeah, let's just let it play. I don't want to sit here and watch it. Now, what I'm hoping for is that it'll not go down below the 50% of this candle. So we'll see. All right, guys, that's it for today. I'm at least happy that we followed our rules. 2 losing trades, but they were within confluence with Jay Dunn, my rules, and they just didn't respect it today. If we go back to my charts, this candle right here could have been an entry. I usually don't enter the second, but could have here. And then possibly this entry here, those would have been good. But of course, we took this trade and it failed. And then we took this bounce and it failed. And probably both of these, look, this was increasing volume on a down candle after a big move up. That should have been a warning sign. And then we bounced and we had increasing volume with a buy and a close above the 21. So I'll have to keep that in mind, and probably should have had a little bit better thought process in those trades. But a big part of it too was that I was following Jay Dunn and Grizzly. They're very good traders. I respect them a lot, and um, you're going to end up with losing trades. It happens all the time, and one of the biggest lessons you have to learn as a trader is how to take a loss. I'm still learning that. I need to get a lot better at it, but I'm going to end it today, and we'll see you later.